cookie? I should have...
You are.
No, you are.
Okay, taste it. What do you think? Is it good? Yummy? Show us how you decorated it. Turn it around so we can see. Turn it around so we can see. What's it look like? What's it look like? Oh yeah, yum.
It's okay? Aren't you glad you baked today?
She's a happy camper. That's for sure.
What